You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. In my immediate past video, I was talking about market moving from this level of support to the upside, and we see the market move to the upside, and right now we are seeing this bearish candle coming up today. And on the 4-hour chart, I said market is going to move from here to the upside, and this is the first target. You see market drop once more and then it moved to the upside. And also on ETH right here, I said market is going to move up, market drop once more before that very move to the upside, reaching the target as well. So today, what are we expecting in the market as we are seeing retracement right here? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On BTC USDT 1-day chart, you see this is a very strong resistance. So we have support here, we have support at this very area, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, and resistance at this very area. So this area should hold the market, as I was talking about on the 4-hour chart. So if you look at it very well, market should react to this point. I am still expecting the market to move to the upside on BTC 1-day chart. Okay, I'm still expecting market moving, to the upside, approaching this very level of resistance. Okay, why we also pay attention to this very level of support. Very simple. And on the 4-hour chart, I talk about market moving up from here to the upside, but we see a little drop to the downside from this very area. Then this move before this consolidation, the market move to this our first target, because I said this should be your first target, and right now market is moving to the downside. The expectation, what I'm looking at right now, is the market to continue this retracement downwards. So I'm expecting the market to go back down to this very area. Then we'll be looking for bullish price action that will signify that market will go to the upside. But on the immediate short time, expect this market to still come back down. Okay, on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart BTC. And then on ETH, the same thing. I said you should take a position on my immediate last video at this very area, the close of this candle, and market go down a little bit, which is a possibility that happened in the market most time before the market then move up. And this was our first target, and right now market is retracing. What are we expecting in the market? I am expecting this market to continue this retracement to the downside. So I'm expecting this retracement to still continue back down to this very level, possibly, and this very level of resistance. So between this level of support and this level of resistance will serve as a hold for this retracement before we'll find some bullish price action for the market to continue to the upside. So on the immediate short time, pay attention to the market moving down. Okay, then when they come back down, then we will now check the analysis, and possibly the market is going to move to the upside, and that is what I am paying attention to, for the market moving to the upside after coming into this very zone right here. So this is what I am paying attention to, guys. And what do you think about the market on Bitcoin? Do you think this very candle will close bearish and the market is going to go down and break this level of support for the market to move back to the downside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video and your registration right now. And we are organizing a free cryptocurrency training for beginners, and the WhatsApp group is in the description of this very video. Join right now. It is a free training and also a free group. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.